In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to retrieve forgotten username of GoDaddy. If you've misplaced your GoDaddy username, don't worry. This is a quick, secure process and you'll be back into your account in just a moment. I'll walk you through exactly what to do and share a few helpful tips along the way so everything goes smoothly. To begin, head to the official GoDaddy Retrieve username page. You can get there by opening your preferred web browser and searching for the phrase GoDaddy Retrieve username, then selecting the official GoDaddy result. You can also reach it from the GoDaddy sign-in area by choosing the option related to a forgotten username. Once you're on the correct page, you'll see a simple form designed specifically for recovering your username. On that page, you'll be asked for the email address linked to your GoDaddy account. Take a moment to carefully type the same email you originally used when you created or last updated your GoDaddy profile. If you manage multiple email addresses, for example, a personal and a business one, think about which inbox typically receives GoDaddy notifications like purchase receipts, renewal reminders, or security alerts. Enter that address into the field provided. Before you proceed, double check for common typos such as missing characters, extra spaces, or using the wrong domain ending. Accuracy here matters because GoDaddy will use the email you provide to locate the account and send your username reminder. When you're confident the address is correct, click Continue. After you click Continue, GoDaddy will process your request. Behind the scenes, it verifies that the email you entered is associated with an existing account. If it is, you should receive an email that includes your username or instructions related to your username reminder. Keep an eye on your inbox over the next few minutes. Depending on your email provider's filters, messages like these can sometimes get sorted into categories like updates or promotions. So just be mindful of that as you watch for the message. If the page indicates that the email address isn't recognized, it usually means the system can't find an account tied to the address you entered. In that case, think through any other email address you may have used with GoDaddy in the past and repeat the same entry step with the correct one. That's all there is to it. By going to the GoDaddy Retrieve username page, entering the email linked to your account and clicking Continue, you'll receive the information you need to sign back in with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you recover your username quickly and securely.